Anne is asking, I heard that you can take the NCLEX now in the US, Canada, and Australia. Is it the same NCLEX?
Yes, I will take that question. It's the same NCLEX that you are going to take. So if ever, the good thing that if ever that you will be able to pass this certain examination, say for example, if you are going to choose the NCLEX USA, then you don't need to sit anymore for the NCLEX Canada as well as NCLEX Australia. So you can be exempted for their NCLEX. So say if you want to go to Australia first, or if you are planning to go to Canada, there's still a certain process, there's still certain credential evaluation that they're going to take. But part of the process is that the nurse should have the NCLEX. So during that time, then the nurse can be able to submit their NCLEX result. And so you don't need to sit for the NCLEX Canada anymore because you already passed the NCLEX. So it's basically the same.
Okay, so it's the same. So even, for example, Rochelle, if I'm a nurse that's currently sitting in Canada or Australia, and I've just maybe, written my local boards, and I want to and then I want to take the NCLEX exam. If I take the NCLEX for Canada or for Australia, it's the same thing then as taking the US NCLEX. So if I, for example, take the NCLEX in Canada and I decide I want to work in California, I can do that. Is that correct?
Yes, there's just a process that's called license endorsement after,
Mm-hmm.
because of course you don't have the license yet. So if you are licensed in Canada, then if you plan of going to the USA, then there should be a license endorsement that should take place.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for clarifying that.